Alright, so today we have an unboxing of 3 different Tamas. Thank you to Yusti or Daniel for sending me these and getting them for me from the online releases. It is the PDOX Tama and 2 of the DAO Tamas. So yeah, let's open it and see what's inside. Pretty stoked on these. It's my first time actually trying a PDOX item in general, so pretty excited for that. Down, PDOX. A ton of stickers on the bottom. That's it. Okay, let's do the PDOX first. This is the bag that it comes in. Very nicely bubble wrapped. There's no weight on this, so I just have to weigh it myself. Ooh. It's so sick. Look at that design. I love their graffiti style art. Got the stars on the bevel. Got PDOX, the PDOX stripe in the center with a nice gradient of black to white to like maroon. And some blue graffiti on the top for tracking. And this is the anti-skid paint, I believe. So it'll break in super nicely. This looks like beach Tama, I think. With a crushable bev, looks like too. Very, very nice. Stoked for this. Comes with extra string, bunch of stickers. Okay, now for the DAO. Actually, my first time having a DAO Tama too, so really excited to try the Raptor Clear. I know it's one of the best in the game. Stickers with a nice like golden string. This is, oh, I forgot, what is this called? What did I get actually? Oh yeah, it is the Acid Maze Tama. Got that yellow dot on the top, that green acid design on the top half of the Tama with the burn line for a good grip too actually. And natty bottom half with that white circle around the bevel for tracking. White and a black circle too. Then it has their logo in the bevel. This is a beach Tama, yep, Raptor Clear paint. And I think this is a little heavier, I believe. I'll weigh them at the end, but yeah, that is the Acid Maze. And the last one I got is my favorite one, I think. Of course, the strings, stickers, the Laker Cloud. I don't know if it has to do with the Lakers, inspiration from the Lakers, because it's called the Lakers Cloud, but it is a really nice design. It was my favorite one out of all the Tamas they released, actually. Got that purple, yeah, purple and yellow design on the top half, and then same natty bottom half. Man, the paint feels so nice. It feels super grippy, but it'll be like really good for just all types of stall tricks and lunars, but also like really good room to like adjust without it like slipping off. Yeah, let me weigh these. Okay. Alright, let's do PDOX first. 85.8 Acid Maze, 90.6, and the Laker Cloud, 80.8. So Acid Maze is the heaviest by far, 90, 85 PDOX, and then 80.8 for the Laker Cloud. So not too bad. I don't really care about weights too much, but I usually prefer around the 80, 85 range. But yeah, that is the unboxing of these 3 Tamas, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.